Okay, eating sand. Here we go.
My name is Bria. I'm 19 years old. And I'm addicted to eating sand.
What? How can you be addicted to eating sand? That shit will kill you.
I just love the crunch. It's always good on top of food, like a seasoning or something. I've taken a tortilla chip, dipped them in sand, and ate them. And it gave the chip the best crunch that I've ever got in my entire life. My favorite combination of sand is when I mix it with gum.
Okay, I will just say that. Ew.
It's just like mouth-watering.
Bria's addiction first developed 5 years ago when she accidentally got a mouthful of sand at the beach.
She's been eating sand for 5 years? Damn.
She was instantly hooked on the crunchy texture.
I eat it when I go to my room, when I'm walking to class, when I'm reading a book. Before I go to bed, I put like a pinch in my mouth. When I wake up in the morning, there's still pieces, like, in my teeth. It's like leftovers.
When I first found out that Bria was eating sand, I was like, oh my gosh, that is crazy, that's nasty.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's nasty. Six times per day? $11,000 times? Damn.
When I'm craving sand, I lick my finger and then dip it inside of the sand and put it on the back of my teeth and just chew it. I like the fact that it grits on my teeth. It gives it that crunch that you don't get from food.
Bria is so dependent on that satisfying crunch, she turns to nail files when her sand supply runs low.
It has like sandpaper on it that gives me the same crunch. So I put it like in the back of my teeth and just go like this.
Ew. Nasty.
But Bria's cravings can't be satisfied with just any sand.
My favorite sand is actually the sand from the playground or a park.
You know sand can kill you if you eat it? I think it can. But if you eat too much of it, it probably could.
I start by taking a handful. Then I take like the big rocks out. It's natural. It's straight from the earth. It's really good and it's really crunchy.
Okay, people, that's a wrap on this video. Pete. Wait, no, Pete. See ya, people.